Let's go back to the press conference that is happening outside of the electoral court in Bloemfontein.
Even members of the ANC were not here. And we are accompanied by yourselves with your beautiful placards. We are also accompanied by Sizwe war veterans and everyone else who is around us here. And also our provinces here led by Pulediso and the Deputy Chairperson and all members of the Provincial Executive Committee. And I want to explain to you, comrades, we are here today because we took a decision as the National Executive Committee to challenge the formation of a party called Sizwe by Jacob Zuma. He announced it on the 16th of December. The decision to form this party was taken long time ago. Now there is an argument in court about the time frames. When did the ANC come, realized and argued its point? But we've got capable lawyers inside who are arguing our case. Back and forth with Sizwe lawyers and so on. We have taken a decision to challenge this party, but not only that, we have been toiling since this party was registered, fighting for our logo, for our asset, for our own MK. To say that if Zuma wants to form a party, it is fine. He can call it Msholozi, he can call it Zuma, he can call it whatever he wants to call it. But we will never leave him to run away with MK. Because Sizwe belong to the African National Congress. Sizwe belong to the African National Congress and the people of South Africa. He has taken a decision to take our asset and run with it. We took a decision to challenge him. We are challenging him in two levels in terms of this formation. You must understand, this is the beginning. Here today in the electoral court, we are challenging him in terms of deregistration of this party. That's the first leg. Next week, we challenge the patent, the ownership. Who owns Umkhonto? And then it is owned by ANC. So that is the second leg. It has been, should anything work against us, it will not be the end of the day. Should we register victory, it is equally good for the ANC. Comrades, we respect the rule of law. We are not afraid of anybody. We have seen them all and they failed. They started with Congress of the People. We defeated them. And today, Mukitu Warikatsu Fedile. And now, Jacob Zuma has done something that we wouldn't have expected from him. To form a political party against the African National Congress. Now, comrades, he has done it, and therefore he is here defending it as his party. And the African National Congress, we are here standing to say this is our property. And there is nothing wrong with that. This afternoon we will speak about the politics of this party. We will speak to the media at large. We said at 4 o'clock. We'll explain politically. But Jacob Zuma, we have already taken a decision about him. He's no longer our member. He's under suspension. And he has also been charged. So try out Takala Takamoli Kamo Aiyo. Yauri, ki member Rakamo Kausan in term, it doesn't exist. You work against the ANC, you will then be dealt with in accordance to the prescripts of the ANC and its constitution and its code of conduct.
Well, that was the press briefing, or rather media briefing, in which Fikile Mbalula is, of course, addressing the crowd outside of the electoral court in Bloemfontein, and we'll catch up with that a little bit later on.